Our local Chick-fil-A had a stuffed animal sleepover. We each got our own sleeping bag for our stuffed animals, and we got to decorate them with different sticker patches. I picked the moon, a star, and a lightning bolt. They also had a face painter. I got Jupiter, of course. There was a girl making balloon characters, and I got a hat. We gave our stuffies checkups before dropping them off for the night. The next morning, we picked up our stuffed animals and learned all about their fun stay at Chick-fil-A. Can't wait for next year's Stuffed Animal Sleepover.